I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today we're going to make fried fish. Here we have our 5 easy ingredients: wild-caught flounder, Cajun fish fry, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Here is our first step. Soak your fish in milk. I have already soaked my fish in milk 2 hours ago. Our next step is we have to put 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and put it inside the Ziploc bag. Now comes the salt. And now I'm putting in the garlic powder. And finally, the chili powder. Next, we're going to use half a bag of Cajun fish fry. And now we have to put half the bag of fish fry. And now you gotta seal the Ziploc bag, then turn it, then mix it. So now you take your fish and put it inside your powder. And now you shake it. So now your fish is coated and it's ready to be fried. I preheated my oil, so now we can fry it. You're gonna fry it for about 3 minutes on each side. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make fish, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.